Welcome back, guys. The Kubota's in. There's the Mr. Roper behind the cherry picker. So let's get this thing started. At least get the engine out and sitting on that frame and going from there. Let's get going. Say hello there, Bear, Mr. Garage Dog. Yeah, say I'm doing batters. I got stink eye, but I got it. Yeah. I can give you the stink eye. All right. Let's get this going. See how it goes. Everything's looking good. Might need to scooch back just a hair. I won't let the garage dog in for just a second because I got to open the big door. Give me a second. All right, guys, I had to pause and take a phone call for the Bear Boo here, Mr. Garage Dog. Got his results back on his tumor on his eyelid, and it came back negative. So that's great. Meantime, this is kind of happening right at the moment. I'm going to pause here because I'm going to have to do some thinking here. Diesel is sitting on the Craftsman frame and it does not look bad. There we go. Looks pretty cool, actually. The engine needs some cleaning. Of course, the frame needs some cleaning too. So we'll get that done. Only concern is the bracket for the hood. That's going to be interesting. So anyway, I'll do some thinking and I'll come back to it. All right, guys, a little ending to this first video on the engine. As you can see, the engine is now facing that way. The engine rotates this way. So this is the counterclockwise side. And for me to use the drive mule, that'll be situated right here, which is that thing right there. I need the engine to rotate clockwise on this side. And this is the side that rotates clockwise. And that's all right because, as you can see, everything will fit actually a whole lot better with the engine oriented like this. So there you have it. We'll call this part 1 on the engine. Part 2 might be a while because the winter storm is here and it's starting to get cold out here. I do have the big buddy, but I would rather save the propane for more needed purposes. It'd be a good opportunity to take a break from Mr. Roper. And there it is. And we'll come back to it maybe in a week or two. We'll see how it goes.